course, we would greatly appreciate you tagging us in all your photos and videos from today. And of course, we're going to be sharing them as the day goes on. So once again, follow us on Steamrail Victoria on Facebook and Instagram. We'll also update you on upcoming tours and events of this kind. Now, walking the distance, we've got after 11 being planned on the turntable. We can't actually see it because the locomotive 43, 29 on our way, that's okay. Now, the green locomotive on the ground yard here. Normally it's Y112, however, looks like there's a number there. Y419. Now, Oscar, what do you know about this? Similar Y cars, they are available at the Steamrail HO-Scale. So go and check them out and then they can thanks for that, Oscar. And the Y112 will be operating our next goods train run-up concert on the ladder track at 10:45. We'll talk more about that locomotive now. K190, what is it? The LMS red livery? Crimson. steam locomotive